Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to save videos from Capcut. So first, open your Capcut app on your mobile as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the plus icon, which is the new project button, to create a video project. So basically, you just need to select a video, and then here you can customize, you can add some effects on this video. Now, once you've done creating and editing this video, as you can see, just need to go back to the main option. Now here we have two ways on how you can save videos from CapCut. The first one here is by saving it as a project on CapCut. So basically to do that, click on the X icon right here at the top left corner of your screen. And once you tap on the X icon, it will automatically save this video as a project on CapCut. So you can basically edit this video anytime you want. Now the second way here to save videos is by saving it to your phone gallery. To do that, tap on the app icon right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And as you can see, it is now starting to export this video to your gallery. And once you've done, you will find an option, as you can see, ready to share, save to device and projects. So basically, if you want to find it on your gallery, just need to tap here on the app icon, which is at the top right hand corner of your screen. And here, once you've done, go back to your gallery and see the results right here. So that's all. That's how you basically save videos from CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.